Stay light on your toes. Mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that's often heard in conversations: light on your toes. If you're curious about what this idiom means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this expression together. When someone says you need to be light on your toes, they're not talking about your physical weight or your ability to float in the air. This idiom is actually all about being agile, alert, and ready to move quickly when necessary. It originates from sports and dancing, where being light on your toes is crucial for quick movements and effective performance. In sports and physical activities, in contexts like boxing, tennis, or ballet, being light on your toes is literal. It means maintaining a stance that allows you to move quickly and efficiently, dodging obstacles or responding to your opponent's moves. In everyday life, in a more figurative sense, this phrase can be applied to various aspects of daily life. For example, if you're in a fast-paced work environment, being light on your toes might mean being adaptable and quick to solve problems. It's all about staying mentally agile and ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Let's look at how light on your toes can be used in sentences. In a work context, the nature of our project demands that everyone on the team remains light on their toes, as changes can happen at any moment. In personal development, keeping yourself informed and continuously learning new skills will help you stay light on your toes in an ever-changing world. And there you have it, folks. Being light on your toes is all about agility, readiness, and adaptability. Whether you're dancing, playing a sport, or just navigating the challenges of daily life, we hope this video has shed some light on this interesting English idiom and that you'll find opportunities to use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning idioms not only makes you fluent but also helps you grasp the colorful nuances of the English language. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Stay light on your toes, and see you in the next video.